writ petition 16 of 2026.
Well, once again, with great respect, I'm an officer of the court. With the highest regard for your lordships. We are on maintainability. And all submissions advanced by respondents' counsels have only been on maintainability, not factual parameters.
He's arguing on maintainability.
Yes,
I am
only
arguing on maintainability
and
but
facts.
I am
well.
not delivering.
He's started on facts.
I am not delivering a lecture on maintainability in general.
My friend is using your lordship's proceedings as a social media weapon in a political campaign. My lords knows this.
Yeah.
My lords knows this.
We saw it. We saw
But
it.
it is.
Your lordship must be disappointed by
I am not
offense
disappointed.
conduct.
But now sit down.
Your lordship,
Now,
don't talk to me like that.
at
I'm not your underling. Do not talk to me like that in a courtroom again.
This is not the way.
No, how can he say
She
this? my
talks to every law officer
lord?
like this.
How can he? How
This
can he
is
say this?
increasing. But
How can he say
again,
this? Just sit down.
again, my
Does he
responding
talk
would
like
not
this too? Is he
glorify
allowed to
the
talk
behavior,
like this?
and therefore,
Who
my lord,
uses proceedings in your lordship's court on social media and a major political party posts it?
it is
Is
posted
this-
because you
is this
compared your
How
government.
your
But
lordship's
this is
court is abused. I did not compare this to anything.
Yes, be confined to the submissions.
But I am
Yes.
submitting, but now
And
nobody
please
of here.
don't abuse the proceedings in this court as a tool to be used on social
Now
media.
you can use it. I have
As a
nothing
tool
to do
to be
with
used
politics.
on social media. You don't
But-
have anything to do with
but-
politics.
But
You don't have anything to do with
never
politics.
ever compare in a
Please.
democratic country
Yes.
with anyone, either
If
as a
you-
crown
If
or as
you
a queen.
understood what
Otherwise,
I
I
said,
object to.
I was talking to a
What is this?
pre-constitutional position. The only persons behaving like the crown is you. You behave like an unelected crown and a monarch. And do not ask another lawyer.
Lord, a very dignified silence can be the only answer to this kind of behavior. Let us start with
Be
the.
silent then.
Let us start with the matter then. I cannot behave like a street fighter.
My
When we
lord,
come to
either
page
he is
one-
dignified or he is silent.
But page
He
one
is
now,
neither
please
of those.
allow me.
He is neither of those. That's the problem.
Lord,
You please continue.
he has to prove something somewhere, my lord. I have nothing.
Only person proving is
I-
you, Mr.
yes.
Mehta. You don't have the legal arguments
You,
to turn to
Mr.
social
Guruswamy,
media.
take your seat. Let it.
Grateful, my lord. I'm always happy to appear before your lordship.
Let
Your
it-
lordship knows this.
Why do you compare the word inside the court and outside the court?
My lords, what is
Lord,
inside your
Any
lordship's court
facts with
is supposed to have
argument is
sanctity.
beginning of another argument.
Your lordship's
No, the word-
proceedings are
word-
supposed to have sanctity.
There is
The Solicitor General cannot say sit
You see,
down
the whole-
to an opposing
The
counsel.
whole
I'm sorry.
difficulty is that we try to hear the arguments silently.
So let me start. Let me start in my the way she wants.
Because the whole
Give-
difficulty
I-
is that we can't stop the media. And once we start saying anything,
Yes.
Yes.
then it is picked up. Now it is,
Nobody can
He
control it.
circulates, my lord.
it is live.
He circulates.
It is live.
He circulates.
Either party uses this and
Yes,
the
he circulates, my lord.
at times it becomes
But I am
difficult for
not.
us
Please,
Yes.
anyway,
whether to
I
say
not-
anything in
Yes,
court
my
or not.
lordship.
But
Your
anything
lordship
further,
will this either
anything further
follow
to encourage this
I
kind
have
of
seen
behavior.
so many
the lordship may.
other matters before your lordships. I know your lordships is pained by how these courtrooms proceedings are being used, but that is what they're doing.
Please proceed.
Yes, madam. I would like to cite Lord first Rigved. Have you got? No, it's not there. Then I'll come to my Lord Chandogya Upanishad. You have? It's again not there.
What is that? Chandogya.
Chandogya Upanishad.
Chandogya.
Yes, Lord. Then I'll come to Lord. I'll go historically, and thereafter your lordship did not write.
No, this
I'll
I'm
come
giving.
to 1919, Lord, 1915 Government of India Act, but that again my friends have not got.
This Upanishad I am coming across for the first time.
Yes, my lord. I also came across for the first time.
Yes.
Then I'll come to 1915 Government of India Act. Then I'll come to 1935 Government of India Act. Then I'll come to 1947 Indian Independence Act. Then I'll come to Lord, the Constituent Assembly debates. Then Lord Sirvai. But they felt that that's absolutely irrelevant, so they have not brought it. And I agree with them. Therefore, now I'll come with the effects of this.
You are giving it in the same point.
No, I am not giving anything to anyone. I choose my, my lord, friends and foes.
Your
Please
answer,
have a
Mr.
look.
Mehta, Mr. Mehta, some of your friends should be supplied a soft copy. That's all.
Yes, no, they have not brought. I am not citing. I am
All
not
right.
citing. Don't worry.
No difficulty. No
Yes.
difficulty.
Lord, kindly come to page 1. Lord, this is not, my lord, a general debate on 32 and how 32 is maintainable. 32 is always based upon the fact specific
Page 1.
situation. Page 1 of the writ petition.
Writ petition.
Lord, that is 16 of 2026.
16.
I understand the pain of the respondents that they would not like your lordships to see some of the facts based upon which I would show. This is why 32 is maintainable. It's really embarrassing to face these facts, my lord. And therefore, I do understand, Lord, what is the pain. But still, it is my duty, my lord, to bring to your lordship's notice to substantiate my contention that Article 32 petition is maintained. Now, my lord, let us have page 1. Lord, kindly see, there are two petitioners. Lord, everything was argued that ED is not a statutory body, ED is not a person, ED is not a citizen, ED is not this, ED is not that. Correct, my lords? Without being told that your lordships were never told that petitioner number 2 is, my lord, Robin Bansal, Deputy Director, HUV, my lord, that is Head Unit, Directorate of Enforcement, having office at so and so, so and so. Correct, my lords?
Yes.
Now, at this stage, my lord, please also have a look at the second petition, which Mr. Raju will be arguing, my lord.
Second petition.
And we will be confining to the facts of the case, my lord. Not a general discussion, my lord, on the contours of Article 32. Whatever is relevant for the present case, I'll present it. And please, we have the list. Lord, kindly just see the names and I'll connect, my lord, how their fundamental rights are violated and what are the averments made in the petition.
The second one,
Second,
Nishant
that
Kumar.
is, yes, my lord, the writ petition 17 of 2026.
Yes.
Nishant Kumar, son of Devi Ram so and so, working as Assistant Director, Directorate of Enforcement. Then Vikram Ehlawat, please mark, I'm sorry, page 1. Vikram Ehlawat, son of Rampal Singh, aged so and so, currently working as Assistant Director. Then Prashant Chandalia, please, my lord, just bear, my lord, these names in mind. Something turns on that, my lord. They are before your lordships. He is Assistant Director, Directorate of Enforcement. Then, my lord, respondents are same. One is State of West Bengal. 2 is the Honorable Chief Minister. 3 is the Director General of Police, the then Director General of Police. But now he is member of Rajya Sabha. 4 is, my lord, the Police Commissioner. 5 is, my lord, DCP. And 6 is the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, please come to para 5 of my petition, my lord. Para 5.
The first petition.
Yes, first. How, my lord, this started? Lord, ultimately, my submission is going to be that there is complete and total failure of law and order situation in the state of West Bengal. This is my legal submission, whether someone may like it or not like it. Rule of law is a part of Article 14, which is a fundamental right, and I will demonstrate how that rule is violated, which makes the petition maintainable. It's not a political platform. I am not, my lord, trying to, my lord, please anyone, and therefore I will confine to the legal submission. Para 5. During investigation, Lord, kindly note one aspect. Lord, this is the investigation which we are doing under the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court. But one of the investigation, Lord, which I'll refer to. Yes. But here, this is a case where there is an illegal smuggling of coal from the central government's coal refineries, and the total amount runs into some 2,000 crores. 2,700 crores. And we, The ED and their individual officers who are also citizens of India and they are discharging their statutory functions, they are before your lordship giving these facts to your lordships and seeking my lord's protection for protecting their fundamental rights. During investigation, it was gathered that the illegally excavated and stolen coal used to be sold to Shakambari group of companies. On analysis of documents seized from premises of so-and-so, it revealed that Maji Group used to receive cash from Shakambari Group against sale of illegal excavated coal. Shakambari Group companies are primarily into steel manufacturing. The group is led by so-and-so. Then kindly come to para 7. Further investigation regarding the utilization of POC means proceeds of crime. This ought to have been pointed out to your lordships when I am 32. Because 32 can never be decided as an isolated, abstract legal proposition. Dr. Ambedkar never conceived of this situation. Further investigation regarding the utilization of proceeds of crime was undertaken, which revealed that the proceeds of crime generated from coal sales were utilized by sending the proceeds of crime through both domestic and international Hawala. One such Hawala operator used by coal syndicate to transfer proceeds of crime has been identified from WhatsApp chats of so-and-so, accountant of so-and-so. Hawala firm name so-and-so was used for Hawala transfers by the coal syndicate as seen from WhatsApp chat dated so-and-so between Neeraj Singh and Ashok Kumar Mishra. Then 9. Material evidence have been gathered which discloses 20 crores of proceeds of crime arising from the illegal coal mining were used through interstate Hawala networks layered through a chain of facilitators, converted into cash at Goa and channeled into, please mark this, my lord, IPAC. The raid in question was on this, my lord, based upon the chain of investigations and the material gathered. And IPAC, my lord, is operational framework by being handed over to persons executing the work. Now, my lord, may kindly closely read para 10. Thus, the such proceedings were started at 10 different premises situated in Delhi and Kolkata on 8/1/26. Out of the said 10 premises, one of the premises was the residence of Mr. Pratik Jain, situated at so-and-so Malik Bazar, Park Street area, Kolkata. Please mark this name, Sri Prashant Chandalia. My lord, he is petitioner number 3 in the second petition which Mr. Raju is assisting your lordships with. Assistant director was authorized by Sri Robin Bansal, my lord, petitioner number 2 in the present matter. Deputy director with the authorization number dated so-and-so to carry out search and seizure proceedings at the said residential premises of Mr. Pratik Jain. My lord, we have placed on record the authorization letter. They were not Tom, Dick and Harry who entered, which required, my lord, the respondent number 2, the Honorable Chief Minister, to barge in and, my lord, collect the evidence which I will show and my lord, snatch the evidence which I will show. Then 11. During the course search proceedings at the office premises of Messrs. IPEC Consulting Private Limited and residential premises of Mr. Pratik Jain, certain police personnel had arrived at their respective premises and asked the officers conducting the search to intimate local police station if they wanted to continue this search. During the course of search at the residential premises of Mr. So-and-so situated at so-and-so. Now, my lord, this is residence. Earlier was the office premises. Various digital devices were taken into possession which were suspected to be relevant to the PMLA investigation. During the course of search at around 11:15 a.m., Sri Priyo Brato, IPS Deputy Commissioner of Police, South Kolkata, visited the building premises. Now let's see the power of this man, my lord, who is guilty, at least prima facie, of having, my lord, been a part of this Hawala network of 20 crores. The Deputy Commissioner of Police comes, South Kolkata, visited the building premises and informed the authorized officer that a complaint of house trespass has been received by the police. Thereafter, for the verification of correct facts about the proceedings, the DCP was shown the identity cards of the team and search authorization letter. This is what, my lord, is not in dispute. Thereafter, Sri Manoj Kumar Verma, the Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, also entered the premises. As the police officers were being briefed about the search proceedings under Section 17 of PMLA at around 12:15 p.m. This is an admitted fact, admitted by the Honorable Chief Minister in an affidavit filed before your Lordship. I'll show. PM, so and so, identified, entered the premises despite making categorical requests for not interfering with the ongoing search proceedings under PMLA. However, violating all law and order, Miss So-and-so, with the aid of police, forcibly took possession of all digital devices and key incriminating documents from the possession of the authorized officer, Mr. Prashant Chandalia, Assistant Director, and left the premises at about 20:15.
He is one of the petitioners.
He is one of the petitioners.
Prashant Chandra.
And he is now, Calcutta, West Bengal police has registered a case against him. I'll show that. Those FIRs are under challenge, and we are saying, my lord, and I'll say something further, that now direct in the entire investigation to be conducted by a neutral agency. Well, all the proceedings have been recorded in Panchanama duly drawn at the premises on 8th January 26. An incident report dated so-and-so was also drawn at the said premises by the authorized officer who was conducting the search. True copy of the Panchanama. Please see, my lord, now 13. It is further submitted that another premises out of the 10 premises searched by the Directorate on 8th January 26 was the office premises of IPAC Consultancy Private Limited, situated at so-and-so, West Bengal. Sri Vikram Ahlawat, is petitioner number 2 in Mr. petition where my learned colleague would be assisting your lordship. Assistant Director was authorized by Sri Robin Bansal, Deputy Director, petitioner number 2, of this petition, with the authorization number so-and-so, dated so-and-so, to carry out search and seizure proceedings at the said office premises of Messrs. IPAC under Section 17, and proceedings of the said search and seizure operation were recorded in Panchanama dated so-and-so drawn at the above mentioned office premises of Messrs. IPAC. However, the officers of Enforcement Directorate were not allowed to perform their lawful duties and were obstructed to carry out the same. Hence, an incident report dated so-and-so is drawn. Now, my lord, what is that incident report? Please come to page 79. Page 79, my lord, contemporaneous report. It starts at page 77 in presence of independent panchayat. And my lord, I'll just read the relevant part at page 79. Complete absence of rule of law, and I say that because rule of law is a part of Article 14. Article 14 is a fundamental right, and I can maintain a 32 petition, my lord. Meanwhile, during the search, the Honorable Chief Minister so-and-so, Miss Srimati so-and-so, along with West Bengal state authorities and several senior most police officers entered the premises around 12:40 p.m. So 15 is at residence, when 12:50, the Honorable 40, the Honorable CM comes at the residence office premises. During the search proceeding,
This you are reading 79.
17. I'll read, my lord, the third unnumbered paragraph.
Yes.
Lord, 12:10, the Honorable Chief Minister left the residence. 12:15, I'm sorry. And at 12:40, Lord, she, along with, my lord, about 100 police officials, DG, and I'll show, my lord, the DG was there, police commissioner was there, several DCPs were there. They'll come, my lord, now to the office premises. During the, meanwhile, during the search, the Honorable Chief so-and-so, along with West Bengal state authorities and several senior most police officers entered the premises around 12:40 p.m. During the search proceedings, the aforementioned state authorities, police officers took away the documents collected and indexed by the ED officers. Moreover, the backup of the computer system and email Ishant Taneja and so of Ishant Taneja was also stopped midway, and the state security officers took away the said computer system of Sri Ishant Taneja. The storage device of the security cameras installed in the premises was also taken in possession by the state security police officers. The state security police officers also took away mobile phones of employees of IPEC. Please see, the person who was under investigation, who was being raided, and who was a part of the criminal syndicate, according to our investigation, is being protected at that level in this manner. IPEC Consultancy Private Limited present at the premises. Now, my lord, coming back to para 9, page 9, sorry, para 4. Para 14, your lordship gets to know.
Yes.
It has also come to the knowledge of the petitioner herein that several FIRs have been registered in a malicious manner, targeting officers of the Directorate of Enforcement only for carrying out their official functions under the PMLA and to criminally intimidate them. Some of these FIRs that the petitioners are presently aware of are as under. We were not having copies, my lord, of these FIRs, which we got subsequently, and we have filed, my lord, by way of additional documents the moment we get. Your lordship right now need not go into. There is no, they have said officers of the PMLA. But officers of the PMLA means those who are authorized in writing and who are on the site, who are before your lordships. Now please come to, my lord, para 17. Now, my lord, we approach the Honorable High Court by way of a petition. Page 11, para 17.
Yes.
Before the matter could be taken up, an entire crowd and ruckus was orchestrated inside the court through a WhatsApp group by supporters and sympathizers of ruling party in West Bengal, whose chief minister had earlier obstructed free and fair investigation by ED in the offence of money laundering and has forcibly taken possession of digital devices and incriminating documents from the search premises, compelling the ED to approach the Honorable High Court by way of present writ petition. My lord, thereafter, the true copy of the screenshot showing that the ruckus was orchestrated inside the court through a WhatsApp group is annexed herewith. My lord, WhatsApp group of the party in power. And therefore, the court passes the order which is on next page, page 12. This is what the Honorable Learned Single Judge says. The matter is taken up, my lord, in the quoted part, my lord Justice Anjari against me. The matter is taken up for consideration. At this juncture, a huge number of learned advocates as well as other persons enter the courtroom and create enormous disturbance and commotion. Several requests made by the court to maintain the decorum and dignity of the court so that the matter can be taken up for consideration fell on deaf ears. This is not my submission or my assertion. The Honorable Judge records it. The environment in the courtroom is not conducive to commence or continue with.
How do you correlate to this maintainability?
One of their ground is that go there. One of their ground is go to that. Alternate. And I do not wish to, I do not like to create an unpleasant situation. On the next day, there was a hearing. The Chief Justice of India had to pass some orders. The Chief Justice of the High Court had to pass some orders where, my lord, some derogatory words were used against my learned friend and made viral. But, my lord, we are immune from that. Law officers are supposed to be immune, and any response from us signifies something, my lord, which is abhorrent. I leave it at that. Now kindly come to my lord, page 15.